Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Nimble, which is very intelligent and straightforward CRM solution. And we will cover pricing. We'll compare it with other CRMs, being for example Monday or many more. And we'll talk pros and cons, and we'll do a little sneak peek into that. So, what is Nimble? Nimble is a comprehensive customer relationship management, which stands for CRM, solution for G Suite and Office 365 teams. It helps users connect with their customers wherever they are in the world, and is the only CRM that works across every social network. It generates auto-enriched contact profiles by sourcing information from the internet. Users just need to search any name, and the Nimble browser extension will present enough business insights, contact information, and interaction history to get them started. The software helps its users gain a 360-degree view of their leads and customers by enabling them to allocate teams, interaction history, and contact information. Users can also update deal status in real time, add notes to a record, and access social handles. Nimble also can be utilized by personnel to forward personalized template group emails from their own email account. Other important functionalities include email tracking, pipeline management, today page, to-dos management, calendar, and etc. They are located in California, and they are very well suited for all types of businesses, for small, even medium. And I'm not really sure about a big enterprise level, but for sure you can use it as a freelancer. You can use it in your, for example, Google Chrome, in your viewer, and also on your mobile phone. If you have Android or iOS as well, it will work just fine. They are providing very nice Nimble for free, where you can just basically enter your email. Let's do it like this. You see that you only need your email, and click on try Nimble free. When we are talking about pricing, they are offering only one option, and that's a Nimble Business. If you want to bill it monthly, it will cost you $25. If you commit to 1 year subscription, it's $19. But we can check that a bit later. So, what we have here, once we log into our Nimble CRM, they are asking us for our name. Let's go like this. Let's go with password. I really like the graphics. Yeah. Now, which is pretty obligatory, we have a welcome to Nimble sign. You see the new leads, attempting contacts, connected. Then you see each and every contact. You can check from board or list. Many options, but pretty much if you have any of the experience with CRM, this is nothing new for you. It comes with a bit different style, different UI, but at the end of the day, it's still CRM based. So that's just how it works. Every single CRM. Also on the left sidebar, as you can see, we can organize our workflow. many options, or you can remove sample data, which will basically remove every single data or add sample data. This way you can train how you can add more, sort, or you see we can compare our contacts, we can check them out, edit them, but let's go and remove sample data. Straightforward. There is nothing in here. There is nothing in here, and we can just start to add a contact. Existing contact, new person, or new company. This way you can also do it into context menu, not only on onboard, but let's just try and create a new person. Let's go with Angela White, company, Funny Rockets, title CEO. We can go and check the workflow on which stage our communication is working on. Let's go with attempting contact. We can add email, work, other, or personal, and also phone, which have a couple of options. And we are saving Angela White, which we are attempting to contact. We have new leads, connected, and qualified. This way you can see that the Nimble is really nice for smaller companies. Since imagine working in an environment of hundreds of people, this will get filled quite easily, and it can be pretty hasty or pretty cloudy, let's say. This way you see Angela White is a part of a Funny Rockets company, and also who added this contact. This one was me, and yeah, we have everything in need. So we can add details, we can message her, we can schedule call events and task, log activity, or add a note personally for Angela that you can read, or you can add more people to read it, for example your manager. Slowly we can go through all those options like explore context, but we have it already. Browser extension that you can install to your browser, so you can get pretty nice add up to your mobile phone, and you can just stay in touch all the time. We have in today's meetings, on the left sidebar, we have a contact. Those are already pre-made contacts, like John Ferrara, which is CEO at Nimble, and you can train all of your, or you can try to work with all of your contacts. We have all of them, then people without companies, then only companies, marked important, recently viewed, recently added. Really easy to check Nimble. We have workflows, signals, messages, group messages, activities, deals, reports, and the last is obviously settings. With settings, one of the most interesting stuff is API token. So if you want to integrate Nimble with some other programs, you can easily do that. Yeah. By the definition, is like every other CRM for smaller companies. It's really nice. It's kinda, the UI is easy to read. You can't really get lost at Nimble, and they are providing free forever version. So yeah, and once you run out, there's upgrade. Oh, it's not free forever, obviously it's for 14 days, but you know. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, we will follow more videos with Nimble, so stay tuned, and yeah, see you at another video. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.